Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I kind of owe you guys an apology. I cannot believe that I have left out labeling the x-axes and the y-axes. So let's just jump into it. So if you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So alright, last time we plotted two years of sales data. It was just arbitrary stuff, but we didn't actually label what it was. So let's do that now. All right, and we need to get more legit here because we're gonna get fancy here in a little bit. So that's why it's so important to subscribe. Subplots. Hang on, I gotta concentrate. Subplots. All right. So we're just gonna get rid of this one. We don't need that, and then we're going to change this to x1 and get rid of this. So let's make sure we did everything right. Graph this. Boom. We got 1 year of data. So alright, I was going back through and we did do x title. We've already done that. And sales 2018. So we know how to do that when we were doing our multiple plots. Forget this when we're doing multiple figures. So, alright. Set title, boom, sales 2018. And then it's literally AX set X label. Then the X is month. AX1 set Y label, and helps if you spell correctly, and these are sales. And then run this. Oops, we can't read that, so I need to show you how to do this. Label pad 0.05 should be fine. Boom, there we go, just like that. So that is that, and the reason why we are doing our x1 plot is because next time we are going, this is why it's so important to subscribe. So next time we are going to have a second graph with a different unit of measurement, and we are going to use the opposite side as a unit. So we're going to have two y-axes. This is why it's so important, because we're going to have multiple figures, multiple charts, and in the same figure. So we need to do this because I will show you the technique that you use to do said skill. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests, and I'll get right to them. And as always, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.